Sports, workout, running, hiking, and cycling are some of the activities in which music work as a complementary energizer. Sports and other physical activities involve lots of sweating, and regular headphones are defenseless for such heavy use. Since sportsmen need sturdy and sweat-proof headphones, companies have introduced wireless headphones intended for sportsmen. If you're fond of heavy physical work but love music during your workout, then we would suggest you use one of those headphones. Today, we've selected the Bose SoundSport wireless headphones for our sports-loving subscribers.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Bose SoundSport is durable and fashionable earbuds developed by the renowned music device manufacturer Bose. SoundSport earbuds come with rich silicone material and a unique shape, stay here and tips that would fit comfortably in the ears. It's very lightweight, 0.8 ounces only. You won't even feel the existence of it but the music. The earbuds have built-in Bose wireless connecting technology, and the connection signals are strong within an extended range. SoundSport headphones are intended for the sports persons, which is why it's made of durable waterproof materials to protect the headphone from sweating, lousy weather, and extended use. The Bose sound quality is comparable with other famous headphone manufacturers such as Beats. The headphones deliver crystal clear, low-end, mid-frequency, and high-end sounds. Connectivity feature of the headphones are industry-leading. It gets connected to your devices quickly, and the product is highly compatible with Apple devices. The battery of SoundSport's earbuds provides a backup for up to 6 hours once you charge it thoroughly, and charging the device takes around 2 hours. It comes with an online remote for controlling music, volume, and making calls. SoundSport comes with an amazing Find with Tile option that lets you connect the headphones with an app, as well as help you find it when you forget where you kept your headphones. It's time for us to investigate the user reviews about the headphones and inform you what users are saying about this unique pair of earbuds. The SoundSport has got 4.1 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 13,021 customer ratings, suggesting that most of the customers would recommend the earbuds. Here are some real user comments. One person gave 5 stars and commented, "These are my favorite headphones for running or working out. They sound like Bose headphones. Pretty good. You can probably get better sound, but there will be compromises in other areas." Another person provided 5 stars and wrote, "Now, the sound quality in my opinion is much better. Much better than the Beats X. Deep bass, clear voice, and they're very comfortable as well for the duration of my home long workout." Some people didn't like the SoundSport for some reasons. Among them, one person has given 1 star and wrote, "The headphones fit well into my ear and stay in through hard running, but since I first received them and over the entire 6 months of use, they've been really hard to charge." That's all we have on the Bose SoundSport wireless headphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.